Is it cheesecake or is it pie? Can I call it cheesecake if I'm making it in a pie plate? I hope so, because this is a caramel cheesecake with a pie crust. It is absolutely delicious. You're not gonna wanna miss it.
We're starting off with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're gonna mix in 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping or Cool Whip and mix that all together until it's combined.
That brown sugar in the cheesecake mixture gives it that caramelly taste. Don't skip it. And then you can use any caramel sauce you want for this. I love my homemade caramel, just touting that. I also have a 3-ingredient caramel that you can use, like those Werther's caramels or the Brock caramels that you unwrap. You can use those to make a 3-ingredient caramel sauce, in case you didn't know. Super simple. Or you can just use ice cream topping, whatever you like.
Drizzle that caramel sauce. You need about 1/2 cup of caramel. Drizzle it all over the top, and then I'm using a butter knife to make my little swirl designs in there. Chill the pie, and then it's ready to serve.
See how easy that is and how fluffy this cheesecake is? I know baked cheesecakes are delicious, but no bake cheesecake I think is my favorite thing in the entire world. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and let me know what other pie recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.